There she is. So, in this video, we're going to be working on my buddy Nick's truck. He has a purge valve for the Evap that has been faulty, and now he has Christmas lights on his dash. So a little different on the channel here. We're going to check it out, see if we can fix it. So first thing we got to do is get this air box boot off that goes to your intake, and it's going to be an 8 mil. You got the new toy here.
Yes, we do.
There she is. So this is the replacement part. How much did it cost?
About $50.
Jeez.
At advance.
Oh, it said 25 online.
Oh.
Well, it's right there. So we got the boot off. Real easy. It's just a hose clamp on the intake, which is very strange on these V6s, and the one on the airbox. So we're gonna go dive into that, see what it takes to get that off. It should just be one bolt and a couple little lines, but specialty connectors and stuff. We'll see. Get it off without breaking anything. We're gonna pop off this electrical connection right here. Put that to the side, and then you got this one. And it should be a twist and comes off. We'll figure it out, get back to you. So we got it out here on the V6. There's a little tab, okay, right here on the back side. And you flip it over and it opens it up and it gets it past this ring, so you could pop it off. You got a 10mm bolt on the back side, and that's about it. All right, so I'm gonna put this back in. We got this, turn it over like before. And then you got to put the little O-ring shaft down into that hole. Try to get seated before we got to put the bolt in. Okay. I don't know. It's pretty close. And now we need to get the bolt. You take your bolt, put it in the back side. Don't drop it down to the depths of the engine bay. And per usual, you want to hand do everything before you start torquing it down. This is not something you want to have to put new threads into. There we go. That's in, but I'm going to take a look around it and see if it's good, and then we'll come back to you. Hooked the connections back up, took a picture underneath. We're seated well. Gonna get this boot back on. whenever you do anything involving the throttle body or open ports in your motor, put a rag into it so you're not dropping stuff down. Pieces of the hood liner, anything like that. So pull that out, get the couple bolts back in this, and check for codes. All back together, cleared the code. Got to drive it and see if it comes back, but went together well, and that should be it. Catch you on the next one. For all the people that say that the V6 motor is no good in the trucks, how many miles does this truck have?
This is 254,000 plus miles strong.
It's still running. That's outlasting a lot of 5.3s, especially with active fuel management. So, keep ticking, little guy.